This is Fred. He lives at San Pablo Dam.
Look, he's blind.
And he's blind, yes.
He have the corn. Look in his feet.
He has corn stuck to his feet. This is a very common circumstance for birds who live at San Pablo Dam. Because of the pollution, their eyes have become clogged and they cannot see that they have things stuck to their feet because they have lost the sense of feeling. For they eat things with such chemicals, it numbs their... Wait, do you hear Fred complaining? He does complain. He says I am not telling the truth. And that is true, it is not entirely accurate. He's actually a very friendly bird who can see quite well. And he likes to sing. The things that I said were about certain other birds who live in this vicinity, but not about Fred. He's different, and he's very intelligent. He's a famous blues singer. He entertains most of the people who come to this place. Yes, he does. Proud of it, huh, Fred? Fred likes to help people fish. When he thinks that a fish is in sight or nearby, he starts to sing, and it helps a lot. Thank you, Fred. You're so sweet. Yes, you are. What do you think? Oh, yeah? Really? That's interesting. Did you enjoy the corn that you ate? Yeah? It's pretty cool. What do you do in your spare time? Do you like to... Don't interrupt me, sir. Do you like to sing? He interrupts a lot, doesn't he? He doesn't listen to what I say, he just likes to speak. That's the artist in him. He's not interested in what other people have to say, but he likes to talk about himself, so. Fred, tell us more, tell us more. I'll be quiet and listen. Oh, so cute! You're very silly, Fred. You want to go fly away? Go fly. Fly. Go. Go. Psst. Go. Yay. Bye, Fred. Bye, Fred.